For the project, what you're trying to quantify is the consumer surplus. How much total additional revenue could we make if we implemented a price discrimination scheme? So to find that, the first thing that you might find is the total area underneath your demand function from 0 to your optimal quantity that maximizes your profit. That total area is the definite integral of your demand function from 0 to Q star, where Q star is your optimal quantity. But that total area is not the consumer surplus, right? Because it includes not only the extra revenue that you would get from the people who settled for lower prices, but it also includes the actual revenue that you make from charging the same price to everybody. So to get the consumer surplus, we want to take this total area, which we can interpret as being the revenue that we would make if every single person paid their own maximum price, which is the dream of every marketing person, but really not an attainable dream. What we need to do is we need to take away from that the actual revenue that we get by charging everybody the same amount. So the total revenue that you find in decision report number 4, that's the area of this rectangle, right? This is the revenue that we get if everyone pays the same price. And the consumer surplus, the amount of money that we're leaving on the table if we charge everybody the same price, is the difference between those two things. So to quantify the consumer surplus, the largest possible additional revenue you could make by using price discrimination will take away the total area, which is your definite integral, minus the total revenue that you find in decision report number 4. And what that does is it gives you just the area of this green consumer surplus.